Here I have ARCHOS Access 57, and today I'm going to show you how to take screenshot on this device. So firstly, you have to open a screen which you want to capture. For example, it could be settings list, and what you have to do next is to hold down power key and volume down to take a screenshot. Let me show you one more time. Power key and volume down. And that's how you take screenshot. You can find your screenshot in gallery. Here. In the screenshot album. Here they are, our screenshot. From here you can share, edit or delete it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.